Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
For joining me again. We are back with another one a new one from Reshine Hair. So I'm very excited to be collaborating with Reshine Hair. They so graciously came over and sent us this unit. So what we're going to do is a curly 26-inch 250% density wig. Okay, I'm very excited about this one. Let me take her out so you guys can get a better look at her. Okay, I'm excited to be embarking on these new companies. Like, who knew it was this many human hair companies? But this already out the pack, this hair is super soft. I mean super soft. I mean super soft. She doesn't smell funny. She has 2 combs in the front. Okay, 1 in the middle. You guys see that one? 1 in the back as well. She has adjustable straps. Wakanda forever. Okay, take a look at that lace. All right, now we are really going to get in here and get her all the way together. Look at that. All right, and see what she's working with. All right, my loves, let's get on into this Reshine hair unit. So I have the long Mongolian curly human hair wig, okay? She is a water wave HD transparent lace front wig. I have her in 26 inches. She is a 13x4 wig. At 250% density. Mother is thick and nasty. Okay. She has brown lace. The hair is absolutely stunning. So I am just going on through because I want this to lay so effortlessly and beautifully. And I am doing the bald cap method. So I'm going through and making sure my cap is laid down so great. Okay. This unit is currently going for, at those specs, just under $300, but don't you worry, Reshine Hair always has some kind of deal or discount for you to get your units for an affordable price, okay? Now, you are getting quality hair, guys. This is some good mammy tapping hair, okay? They said Reshine Hair, shine your beauty, and they mammy tapping meant it. I absolutely love this unit. I cannot get over how nice the hair felt even when dry. I am going to shut my mouth and style this unit down and see you guys on the other side.
Beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish he knew. That's just like you. I miss you as I need you. I want you. I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you as I need you. I want you.
One of my favorite favorite parts about this unit is that you're able to throw her up in a ponytail. She looks so friggin' good up, guys. I'm just going on through and chopping off this lace and making sure that it's all the way melted. I started out doing a side part and just going through so you guys can see just how versatile this unit is. I'm going to go through and do my Jada Shiv's baby hairs. You know, we all liking them now, even though that was my thing, but I'm not going to say anything about it. Y'all know I hate to lay baby hairs. I like them to look fun and pretty and effortless, and that's what I'm trying to give doing them this way. So I'm just going on through and making sure that part is really defined so you guys get a good look at the side part. I'm also going to do a middle part as well, middle part style, and I'm just going to wet this unit up so you guys really get to see all that you can do with this one. Now, this unit didn't do much of any shedding, despite the fact that I went through and chopped some hair off and wet her down. She really, really did not compromise anything. I love this hair. I can't say that anymore. And she barely tangled, okay? So when I say this is very good hair, I mean that. For the people in the back, I heard you clutch your pearls, mama. I heard you. Angela, I heard you, boo. This is really good hair. It's really good hair, guys. So I'm going to shut my mouth and finish this on out.
Don't judge me. I just wish he knew. That's just like you. I miss you as I need you. I want you. I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you as I need you. I want you.
So guys, I'm very, very excited about what we just embarked on. This Reshine hair ain't nothing to mess with, okay? The hair out the pack was so soft, okay? So soft. What I did was wet her down with my water and conditioner and threw a little effigy styling mousse on there, okay? Just to keep the wet, soft look. The curls were fantastic. Honestly, I would have wore them dry, but most of the girls, you know, y'all like to have y'all hair nice and wet and slick. So I'm going to give you guys a look that look like that as well. Bust up on these curls, y'all. Look at that. That's beautiful. The hair is lightweight. Lightweight. They say that this is 250% density, and she is light. Okay, it's almost like I don't have anything on. The cap is wonderful. It does feel snug, but I did have to Wakanda Forever her in the back. Okay, but I must say, between the lace, good night, and the hair, it is very nice to meet you, Reshine Hair. You did not have to come through and give us that kind of introduction. You did not have to give us that kind of first impression. We are impressed. It is so nice to meet you. Welcome to the team. Or whatever the case may be, child. Because I love this hair. I love it. 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 I have been really outdone. I've been doing quite a few units. I did like 5 videos a day, and I loved every single wig I did. Like loved. Like love, 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 love. Okay? So I'm so impressed. I'm glad we're on a streak. All right? Let me know what you guys think. You can really do her however you see fit. That's how beautiful she is, or whatever the case may be. Stunning. Stunning, 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 stunning hair. I had her up in a pony. You guys saw that. You could do that as well. You just got to make sure that you glue the back of your hair down, which I did not because mother does not have time. Okay? So if you have not already, buzz down, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you guys are thinking. I really do like this hair. Reshine hair came through with the come through. Okay? And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.